What's up guys, my name is Isaac Rediker and we're now playing Murder Mystery 2. After this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe us. Okay, now we will start this. We will check who is the murderer. Let's go. I don't think so. I like the song. I like. Nice job, guys. You did it. Whew. Let's check the shop if we can buy. I need more coin to buy the carrots. I need more coin. Many. Okay. Lol. What is that guy doing? Let's try it again. Sorry girl, I need my knife. Maybe I am a murderer. Oh man, come on. She's joining. Okay, never mind. He's joining. I must went up. I have even a trick. Maybe guys, you know my trick. When the murderer come, I must stay here. There. Also, oh no, no. If someone's chasing you, you can jump here. Oh man, no. Who is that, guys? I don't know who is it. I must use the ladder now. Oh man! I'm getting scared, guys. Who is the murderer? Is it a boy? Oh, is it? I saw that. That guy! Girl! That, oh man. What? Oh! I don't notice that. But if she's just stop and prepare something, and it's actually me. Come on. It's a boy. Oh, going. Okay. No. What are those he's saying? so cute. What's up, bro? What's up, man? Are you fine? What happened to your glass? Blocking the camera. Dun, dun. Just kidding, guys. I'm gonna check Rex. This is me. Oh my. Oh. This is. Oh, okay. Then, guys, we're in my phone. Like, if you can change this anymore, it means this is the last guy. Oh. I lost my controller. Okay, my friends. Another. I don't know her name. Oh, Missy Perfect Cole. Okay, what's her name? Cole. Can't move. Guys, I need help. I'm freeze. Maybe someone controls me. What? I am a murderer, maybe. Sheriff, good. I like to be sheriff. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Above that thing, a gun picture. Okay guys, these are video for today, and I'm telling you, thanks for joining us our video. Please hit like button below and subscribe, and see you next time guys. Bye.